Matter.
Size matters.
Yes, yeah. This Gaidi, yeah.
You can see as you can
Let's
see.
talk about
Size matters.
Don't care size.
Size
Nafikiria vile.
matters. So you fall
Night
in
baridi.
the spectrum. Reach out.
Tunakula miwa.
Nataka Gaidi ni. Mumunya hivi.
Unaonaje tunaweza make tuletee raia ripoti kesho.
If you know very well. Itaniuma hivyo. Au mumunya hivi.
Na nikukunywe.
Unikunywa? Unimalize all chooses. Utamu ulioko hapa. Na hii baridi kama unachua Gaidi au si kideli yako ya namna hii. Umuume. Ukule chuise sote kwa mwili. It is cold. Kama uwezi kula deli yako hivi utakuliwa.
Unashika hivyo. Kujeni Samora.
Unamzika.
Samora.
Unamuuma. Unamnyonya. Chuise. Unatafuna unamumunya. If you cannot, somebody else will for you. Utasikia jirani yako ameshamkwale ya basi. Utamu. Hakuna kitu tamu kama kula miwa. Miwa ni tamu. Kuleni miwa. Palili, kuleni miwa.
It's good for cold.
It's good for cold.
Okay, so guys, I've called you closer to introduce Tatiana's teacher, who is here. How many teachers? Yeah, ni teachers. Kumbe hata si mmoja. There are several of them, so they take care of Kina Tatiana. Their center is up here, the Dazzling Autism Center. Mani Dazzling Center for Autism. So they can introduce themselves kindly.
Thank you. My name is Mercy Ochanga. I'm a specialist teacher at Dazzling. So mimi ndio yule mwenye amekuwa kwa ground for long. So karibuni, you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're free to interact with us, and if you have questions, you can ask. She's Teacher Joanne. She'll introduce herself.
I'm Teacher Mato. I will introduce myself later.
I'm the cook. I shall introduce myself. But now,
Okay, the John Seurei.
John, sorry?
John Seurei.
Seurei.
Seurei ama Lei?
Ray.
Seurei.
And she's shy. We're making her shy.
You are a specialist, sorry.
Yeah, I'm a specialist teacher and also a behavioral therapist.
Some people here need behavior therapy.
He's talking about himself. He's talking about himself. Please. Consultation, yeah. Don't give free consultation.
maybe we have another introduction.
Na mimi naitwa Nora. Nakaa nao. Mimi ndio nawapea dawa ya tumbo.
Muhimu sana.
Muhimu sana. I have a question. Kidogo tu. Let's have some order kidogo. Walimu. Like you look so young. Na najaribu kuimagine kufunza watu hii. Najaribu saa mimi kuimagine kwangu inafaa mtu asome shule miaka fulani hivi.
Azeeke kidogo. So I expect to see all the teachers. Course yenu ni hizi short course za 3 months. Ama like mtu anasoma nini ndio akwe mwalimu wa nini? Kwa special needs.
Nijiongele pati yangu.
Yes.
For me, I did bachelor in special needs.
Bachelor ni degree?
4 years, that is 4 years. But it can go to an extent of 5 years in Kenyatta University. So I can teach in secondary and special school also. So by teaching subjects in English and literature. But when I'm hired in a special school, I teach mentally challenged people.
Sorry, you teach what?
Mentally challenged. But in a normal school, I'll teach English and literature. So my teaching subject is English and literature, and special is only MR, mentally handicapped. Yeah.
No, Amara, I understand Amara.
So for that one, you'll take 4 years, the course, and 2 years of practice. But you can also go to colleges where you'll just specify with only one disability, maybe autism as a field by its own. So you won't have the teaching subject.
Oh. Haya, madam.
Mi nimefanya P1 2 years. I did a degree in early childhood, and also I did pure autism for a year. And also did a behavioral therapy a year, and I'm doing speech therapy now.
Wow,
Wait,
what is the inspiration?
Wait, ma'am.
Wasanii bado tuko.
Kidogo tu.
This is very serious. Let's.
I have a question. Kidogo tu. ACD kiko special.
It's the same thing.
Utakora tigai, utakora tigai.
Akona degree. Ma'am, umesema makosi mingi. But my interest is this. You said you've done ECD.
I've done P1.
You've done P1.
I did early childhood, my degree.
Yes. And then you did
Behavioral therapy.
behavioral therapy. And then you did
I'm doing now speech therapy.
speech therapy.
Why?
Like mimi na kumotivate kufanya hizi vitu because
Yeah, why?
na mtu anajuaje hizi course ziko.
In as much as you entered special need field, there's these things, and you have to know. For me, let me say, kwa nini nilijipata kwa autism?
Exactly.
I have a sister ako na mtoto wa autism. Actually, when the child was diagnosed with autism, we didn't know what to do. And then I was just, I think I had graduated my degree in early childhood. Now tukimpeleka mtoto shule, kila mtu anamkataa. You know, watu wa autism kuna a lot of behavioral problems. Yeah. So we went to Nairobi for assessment. One of occupational therapy akaniambia, Joan, si ufanye hivi vitu, mnatafuta watu kuna wako. Why don't you do this thing? Na usaidie huyu mtoto. So when I came, I had to change my mind. And now start doing courses autism, nikaanza ku Google to know what's autism kwanza, nijue nini courses gani naweza fanya autism. That's how I found myself in autism field. So, and that now inspired me because my nephew is non-verbal. So kupata speech therapist Kenya, it's work. And also to pay ni work. So I had to do this for me to help him and others.
So you did speech therapy?
Now I'm doing
Oh, you're doing it?
Yeah.
MSc.
Yeah.
Inataka how long?
Let's say, inategemea where you are doing it.
How slow,
like
fast?
How fast?
The period.
The period,
Yeah.
16 weeks.
16 weeks.
Yeah.
Or ni shorter.
Yeah, very short.
My other
Na
question is
mtu anaweza
this.
fanya wait tu kidogo on that. Mtu anaweza fanya the speech one because it's just 16 weeks without the other background.
Yeah, you can.
You go do that.
So,
Now you
my question is this. Maybe there are very many people out there when you're shamaniza high school and they're about to join college and they have a heart and they have an interest in what you're pursuing. So, na si wengi wanaweza jua where to get the exact information of which course you should do and where to get those courses. For instance, kuna mtu anataka kufanya to be in a career. Unaweza mwambia, unaweza list some of maybe 2-3 courses which unaweza fanya the correlated and some of the colleges offering those courses because I understand si kila university inafanya. Yeah.
Okay. First, in this field, you need to have a heart. Where's the end that you can do it, yes, but you can practically it might be work. But me naweza sema for those who have the heart to do it, there are so many courses. One school I can advise ni Kise. Kise, yeah.
In full?
Kenya Institute of Special Education.
Hiyo iko wapi?
Nairobi.
Iko Nairobi Thika Road?
Yeah. And also You can do it AIDS Learning Institute. That's an international school offering everything concerning autism. Yeah.
Nice.
You can also do it online.
Swali yangu ingine hii ni personal. Mimi nimezoea niko na mabeshe walimu. Unasikia mwalimu akifunza Kisii School ama Nairobi School wanafunzi wako 2000. Unajua hapo kuna remedial. Na mshahara ni mzuri. Unasikia mwalimu akipostiwa shule iko na wanafunzi sijui 60 wanalia juu hakuna remedial, hakuna allowance na hakuna mshahara. Actually in Kenya, kids with special needs wako wengi. But si wengi wenye wako in institutions because most of them are just home. Like, is there a worry that somebody will do this course and then will come to teach 2-3 students na maybe atalipwa punch kwa mwezi? Ama like, it's a career like any other.
That's what I told you. This field needs a heart
And
passion. You know, as you are not doing it because you want money. We are doing it as a ministry. Me personally, wacha nijiongelele. Me, I don't do it as a work because kama ni pesa, you'll get tired on the way. But if you have passion, hakuna siku utaichoka kufanya kazi. If you do it for money, you'll get tired. But if you want to do it as a career, then I don't advise.
so you need a heart, you need passion, you need devotion, and you need God.
Yes, and Holy Spirit.
Mom, wewe je?
Patience.
Huh?
If you're patient enough, you can do well in this career.
If you're patient.
Only patient and you can stand other difficulties because this field comes with a lot of challenges. Yeah.
When is your birthday?
29 December.
December. 29 December. Na yako mom?
31st March.
Expiry date. Thank you so much. We appreciate your time. Mazee God awape hiyo courage. We understand sio kazi hizi. Na expect kuona huko mbele, huko juu. Amtusaidia watu wote. God bless you.
Thank you.
Back to you.
DJ.
No, I just wanted, I'm sure Okiondo is not the only one who had questions. So if there's anyone else with a question. Do you have any question?
How much?
Okay. Yeah. Okay, clearly not.
Mesema kikos kuna mtu anaweza pata ametoka form 4 like hakuna any other course yenye anafaa kunini kuwa nayo pole kuwa nayo alafu ndiye afanye nyingine ya maybe special needs, so unaweza toka tu form 4 alafu you come just do it.
Yeah.
For this you said 16 weeks.
Yeah, for the speech therapy.
Ngone games.
Okay, Samora, we just wanted to hear from Tatiana's teachers, and personally, I'll extend my gratitude and that of the team for the good work they are doing, and we'll be sure to finish after we wrap the project. Tutawatembelea tena. So keep up the good work. Na mtuchoche hata sisi tuanze kulani hivi. Most importantly, but thank you.
Thank you.
Lazima ukuwe na C plane cases, yeah, you hata cases.